Let's read the question. We have two sectors sharing point C. Sector B, AC has center A, and sector C, OD has center O. P is a point on OD. Here is what we are given. The area of sector B, AC, the angle at the fact that O is half of a C, and the length C, P. And here is what we must find. The length AC then shows theta is 0.611, then the perimeter of the whole diagram. So here is what we have and what we need to find. 4 given values, 3 things to determine. Let's picture the setup. The large sector C, OD has center O. O, C, and O, D are its radii, and the angle at O is theta. Inside sector B, AC has center A, which sits on O, C between O and C. Its angle at A is 2.8 radians, and the arc runs from B around to C. P is the foot of the perpendicular dropped from C onto OD. C, P is 7.74, and that right angle is what lets us find theta. Let's keep the diagram beside us and work through it. Step 1, we want the length of a C. We can get it from the area of sector be a C. The area of a sector is 1/2 r squared theta. Here the radius is A, C, and the angle is 2.8, so put the numbers in. Rearranging gives A, C squared equals 81. A length cannot be negative, so take the positive root. A, C is 9 centimeters. Step 2. Now find the angle theta from the right triangle at P. O is half of a C, so 4.5 centimeters. Since A sits on O, see the full radius O, C is O, a plus A, C 13.5. In the right triangle, the sine of theta is the opposite, CP over the hypotenuse, OC. The inverse sine, changed to radians, rounds to 0.611. Shown. Step 3. The boundary has 5 pieces, 2 arcs B, C, and C, D, and 3 straight edges, OD, OA, and AB. Arc length is radius times angle. Arc B, C uses radius A, C 9, and angle 2.8, 25.2. Arc C, D uses radius O, C 13.5, and angle theta, about 8.25. The straight edges, OD is 13.5, O is 4.5, and AB is 9. Add the 5 pieces together. The perimeter of the whole diagram is about 60.45 centimeters. Final answers. A, C is 9 centimeters. Theta rounds to 0.611 radians, as shown, and the perimeter of the whole diagram is about 60.45 centimeters.